So we're here at Super Nintendo World at Universal Studios Japan, and a lot of talk has been about the interactivity of the land and all the things you can do. So the problem is, the key to that is in the form of this. This is a power-up band, and what it is it's a wristband that you put on to interact with all the different elements in the land, to hit blocks, do key challenges, fight Bowser Jr. It even links your Mario Kart score straight to your band. So, how do you set it up is the important question. It's actually really simple, and I'm going to teach you really fast. So what you need, you're just going to need your smartphone with the USJ app installed, and you need a power-up band. Power-up bands are available at carts over there. There's one over closer to the entrance. There's a couple in the land as well. So many places you can get these things. You won't have to worry about finding them. So first what you're going to do is on your phone, you're going to open the USJ app. What you're going to do is you're going to open the USJ app first, and if you have it in English like I do, you'll just scroll to the right and tap Super Nintendo World, and a little Super Nintendo World thing will show up. Now, when you buy your power-up band, on the back is a QR code, and that QR code is really important. That's how you link your band to your app. So what you do is you hit this button that says Scan Band, and you're going to line up your power-up band in the camera, and it comes up really quickly. Now it'll tell you what team you are. In this case, I'm Team Mario because I bought a Mario power-up band. There's also Luigi, Yoshi, Peach, Toad, and Daisy, I believe, as well. And then you can set up your player name. I've already set this up. Change your character image. I like this one personally. And a background if you want it. I'm going to stick with the normal for now. You hit next. Hit start again. If you have another band, you can scan it. And then boom, it all shows up. All your stats, how many coins you have, how many keys you have are up in the corner. You've got all your trophies down there. It's all linked into the app. See, I've overall gotten 22,828 coins so far because I've been here a few times. And just today I've gotten 1,366. The app is invaluable. You can see team rankings, how you stand on Mario Kart, daily rankings, all-time rankings. There's Mario Kart. Haven't been on it today. Bowser Jr. fights. And of course, you got your map right here. You really need the Universal Studios Japan app, and thankfully, it's available in the US App Store. So when you come, you can be prepared to get your timed entry ticket, probably, and to set up your power-up band. Do not forget this. Hopefully this is a little helpful in getting you ready to visit Super Nintendo World. And we'll see you next time. Stay tuned to Universal Parks News Today for all the latest Super Nintendo World coverage.